Hey, I'm Janelle and this is toDIYfor. So I am a little sick right now and just could not be bothered to put on makeup to be on camera, but let's get on with this DIY. So here's what I picked up from the thrift store for my decor, which is fall themed for your front door. This was $2.99 and I'm really excited about the idea I have for that. These were $3.99 and I didn't end up using them today. I thought maybe I'd use this one, but I'm gonna use it somewhere else in my apartment and I'm just excited about them. This piece is actually pretty cute on its own and I'm not going to alter it too much, and it just goes to show you that you can actually find some really cute decor there and not have to do a whole lot to it, because that was only $3.99 and it even came with these extra beautiful dried flowers. And the last thing I picked up was this mystery bag. These are kind of fun. They can be a little bit dicey. But I did end up finding some great finds inside of it. So it's a $5 bag and you kind of just get whatever is inside of it. And there were some good things. I'm going to be using a few of these little ornaments on that ring there. This was unfortunately broken, although you would be able to glue it back and it'd be fine. There's a lot of cute little pumpkins in here. These ones are actually candles, but we're just going to use them as ornaments for our kind of wreaths. Okay, so that's what the idea I had with this long string of sticks. They're put together with wire there, so I just used some wire cutters to chop it off. A few of the sticks were missing, but I also didn't need it to be as long as it was. And this is what I did instead of a wreath. It's kind of a cool door decoration that has a really big impact because it's so big. So I rolled up the front there and tied it together with a ribbon around the whole roll. And then these, I guess, typically go around candles, but I split them up and I actually wound some of the wire together to make these longer strands of beads or berries, whatever they're supposed to replicate. There's some rustic stars in there too. And I have a couple of strands there going to be hanging from the center where that big, bulky, rolled up piece of the sticks starts at. So I just wrapped those around the sticks because I was trying to avoid gluing anything down, because I thought this is a great base that would be awesome to change out for seasonal decor. So what I'm doing here now with just some ribbon, this is burlap ribbon that I got from the dollar store, so really inexpensive. I kind of made a little bit of a bow that I just glued together here, and I know I said I didn't want to glue anything to this roll of sticks. I'm hoping that this will be able to tear off quite easily when I do want to change it out to make it a a winter wreath. So I glued that into place along with a pine cone and the pumpkin that I tore off of some other ornaments that I got in that mystery bag. And then I'm going to make some beaded garland here. And this is just a box of beads from the dollar store that I've used in multiple DIYs in the past. So I'm just going to hang that there in a little loop, and I tied it again to the back just to avoid hot gluing anything. So like I said, this piece is pretty cute on its own and it was only $3.99. So first off, this bow has got to go, and oh my gosh, instantly, it's already so much cuter. I really love this because it was real dried leaves in there and I loved the colors of it. So I went ahead and I added a few more of those berries from the second candle ring thing that I had. And then I shoved a couple of pumpkins in there, and that's literally all I did to this. And I think it is so cute. In total, both of these projects cost me, I think, like $11 to make two really cute, unique wreaths for your front door. So I had thought I'd maybe put that behind, but I decided against it, and I just hung it on its own. So that is it for this week's DIY. Let me know what you thought of these thrifted fall wreaths or front door decor, whatever you want to call it, because this one isn't really a wreath, but I really do love how it turned out. And I think you can totally change up the decor to have it be different with every season. Let me know if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll have a new video out next Wednesday. Cheers.